as a team, we feel pretty confident in what we did. Obviously, we have to take our learnings from previous game. Yeah, so we look forward to Namibia, and we're going to focus on that game. We're not going to look further than that. Yeah, we're going to start today with training. We've had our meetings, we've had our learnings. Everything has been cleared about the last weekend. Now we should look forward to the next game.
A guy like Thorsten van Jaarsveld, have you played against him in your career? Boeker from Namibia.
Oh yeah, yes, I think he played for the Cheetahs for Super Rugby for a while. Yeah, we played against each other, and yeah, I think he had a real good career at the Cheetahs. They were good starting hooker. So yeah, I look forward to playing against them. But yeah, it happens. I mean, it's part of the sport. And I mean, yeah, Trevor's really worked hard to be where he is. He's really worked hard to have the respect that everyone gives him. Yeah, I mean, he's going to be missed not really by me, but by the whole team. He's the kind of guy who brings a different vibe. Wherever he walks into, it can be a serious meeting, and Trevor could just walk in and give his bright smile and bright up the whole room. So yeah, I'm gonna miss him as a teammate and as a roommate. But yeah, I mean, we have a World Cup to focus on, so that continues.
What were those lessons, and what are the areas you think?
I think up front, we weren't happy with our maul process. That's something we want to really address. I think they were smart in the way that we expected them to go up and put a lot of pressure in the air, which they didn't. They put a lot of pressure on us on the ground. So we took that on board. We'll be better for it next time. So I think that's the evolution of this pack, is that we must be prepared that teams will take us at different areas, try and pressurize our pack at different areas. I thought our contesting was pretty good. As I said, I thought our defensive scrum was pretty good. So I thought we were good on their board as well. So I thought it was two good packs, really, trying to find an area in each other and try and pressure it. Yeah, I think there were some valuable lessons, and to see with the All Black mentality how they would pressurize us, and we've learned from that. So you don't always want to learn from negative in the situation, but sometimes those lessons you never forget them. So we won't forget that.